Hi, fashionistas. Ready to save on luxurious lingerie and apparel? Here's how to get a free Victoria's Secret promo code with ease. Go to easycoupon.co/secret in your browser. This dependable site is updated regularly to ensure you get the best promo codes. Enter your email address carefully, select your device, Android or iOS, and click Continue to generate your promo code. To confirm you're a real person, download 2 free apps from the App Store. These apps are safe with millions of downloads. Open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to register or reach level 9 in a game. After completing these steps, your promo code will be sent directly to your email. I'll fast forward the process to save time. And there you have it. My Victoria's Secret promo code is here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more savings tips. Enjoy your shopping.